place. Third place. For the third place, garnering an average score of 88.67. Congratulations, Lalaan Central School. Okay.
Pagbigyan nyo na alas na lang. Nasinabi nyo.
For second place, garnering of 89%, we have Puting Kahoy Elementary School. And for the first place, congratulations, receiving 90.33%, we have